This video is about the Showtec Creator 1024 Pro, a powerful, intelligent, versatile lighting controller in a very small format. It can control 80 fixtures, up to 1024 channels, store 600 scenes or chases, and output up to 20 playbacks simultaneously. Chapter 1. Overview. The Showtec Creator 1024 Pro is divided in three important sections: Attribute section, Playback section, Program section. Attribute section. Use the fixture buttons to select the desired fixtures, or use group buttons to select a group. The preset sliders are used to control individual dimmers, fixture intensities, or control fixture attributes. Playback section. The playback section stores up to 600 scenes or chases. Easy accessible playback pages are on the roller. On the Creator 1024 Pro product page, you can download the template to personalize your roller. 20 playbacks can run simultaneously. By activating the playback on the current page, it will automatically stop the same playback on the previous page. The playback faders can be used to control shape size, dimmer value, or chase speed. Program section. In the Program section, you create your chases and scenes quickly thanks to the easy-to-use functions. The most important features are Record Group, Built-in Shape Generator, Single Scene and Chase Programming, Palette Recording, Fan Function, Locate Function. Chapter 2. Patching. This tutorial demonstrates how to patch your Creator 1024 Pro. It also applies to the Creator 1024. Press the Patch function button to access the Patch menu. Press A to patch a dimmer, or press B to patch a fixture. We will select B. The Creator will show the available fixture files. To add the IS100, press B. Make sure you select the correct output and DMX start address. To patch the fixture, press the desired fixture page and fixture button. The Creator auto-calculates next start address. Note, this is your confirmation that the fixture is patched. To patch multiple fixtures, press and hold first and last fixture button. All information is available under the Patch Information button in the menu. It shows the fixture page and button, the device and the output with DMX address. In the Patch menu, you can repatch your fixtures and access the Patch Utilities menu, for instance, the Pan Tilt Invert. If your fixtures are not available in the internal memory, you can make these files simply by using the Personality Builder, or download them on their product page. To build your files, you have to fill out the DMX chart, channel type, and locate data. Then save the files onto a USB drive and insert into the controller. To access these files, you need to repeat the steps in this tutorial. Chapter 3. Easy accessing your connected fixtures. The Showtec 1024 Pro controls 80 fixtures accessible by 20 fixture buttons on 4 pages. There are 3 different ways for easy access to your fixture selection, doing programming and live situations. You can press each button separately to single select fixtures, or press and hold first and last button for selecting multiple fixtures, or use the recorded groups. To record a group, first select the desired fixtures. Note, the desired fixtures can be selected from different fixture pages. Press D in the Program menu, Record Group. Select the desired group page and press the desired group button to record your group. The Showtec Creator 1024 Pro can store up to 50 groups. Note: the shape generator and fen function recognizes the order in which you recorded the fixtures in the group. Fixture control identifies a single fixture in a group by using highlight button. It's also possible to select odd or even fixtures in a group. A group can hold up to 80 fixtures. Please note that only the involved fixtures on the current fixture page are visible. To see all stored fixtures in a group, you need to check all fixture pages. Chapter 4: Palettes. This tutorial demonstrates how to work with palettes. This also applies to the Creator 1024. Frequently used data of your fixtures can be stored on palette buttons to recall on instance. This demo will show color and gobo palettes. Before recording palettes, always clear the programmer first. Then select the fixtures and press Locate to create a visual output. Select the attribute on which you want to create a palette and use the A or B wheel to get the wanted value. Press Store Palette followed by the desired palette button. The indication LED of the button will turn off to confirm that the palette is stored. For other attributes, in this case the gobo, you need to follow the same steps. Again, clear the programmer first. Then select the fixtures and press Locate to create a visual output. Select the attribute, in our case the gobo, on which you want to create a palette and use the A or B wheel to get the wanted value. Press Store Palette followed by the desired palette button. Again, the indication LED of the button will turn off to confirm that the palette is stored. The dimmer shutter palette is a mixed palette. This means that the dimmer shutter palettes refer to all other stored attribute palettes. For instance, if we select the first palette of the dimmer shutter attribute, it shows all stored palettes of the other attributes programmed on the first palette button. In our example, the first dimmer shutter palette shows the first gobo and first color, which are stored in the gobo and color palette. Chapter 5: Using the built-in shapes. This tutorial also applies to the Creator 1024. The shape generator has multiple pre-programmed patterns for movement, dimmers, colors, gobos, focus and iris. To start using the shape generator, always clear the programmer first. Then select the fixtures and press Locate to create a visual output. Use pen and tilt to set the fixtures in the correct position. Press E to access the shape generator. Press A to access shape types. Press A again to access the tilt pen shapes. There are multiple shapes. Press the desired shape. Now you can change shape parameters by pressing C. You can change multiple parameters. To store the shape, you need to exit the Shape Generator menu. Then press the Memory Cue button. Select Mode 2 in the Record menu. The empty playback locations are flashing. Press the desired playback location. Corresponding green LED confirms program is stored. Playback parameters can be changed in the Shape Generator menu. Select Playback Parameters by pressing E. Select the playback that you would like to edit. It is possible to change the size and speed into static or time. Press Enter to confirm and exit to exit the menu. Chapter 6: How to make separate RGB master dimmers in the playback section. Always clear the programmer first. Select the fixtures. To access the RGB attributes, go to the second page and select Dedicated Attribute button. For Red Master Dimmer, activate Red Channel to maximum value. Value is marked in the programmer. To store Red Master Dimmer, press Memory Q. Select Mode 2. Store desired playback location. For Green Master Dimmer, activate Green Channel to max value. Reduce the red value to 0. All marked values will be stored in the programmer. To avoid red value to be stored, press Off and select Red. To store Green Master Dimmer, press Memory Q. Use Mode 2, store desired playback location. This video illustrates the importance of the Off function. It allows you to remove unwanted attribute data in your shapes, scenes, or chases. For Blue Master Dimmer, activate Blue Channel to max value. Reduce green value to 0. All marked values will be stored in the programmer. To avoid green value to be stored, press Off and select Green. To store Blue Master Dimmer, press Memory Q. Use Mode 2. Store desired playback location.